welcome back to Ashtoberfest. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this Lydia Deetz cartoon look right here. I really love the way that this turned out. I was saying in the end of this video how I didn't do her bangs, how she, like her signature style, but I really like the way that it looks to kind of do something a little bit different. Every tutorial I found online had her bangs pretty much done, and I just wanted to do something different. So I do have her little outfit on, which I will link down below, and I did the pink and purple makeup, which I think is so cute. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Ashtoberfest this year. I have already linked down below last year as well as the year before, and I'm doing this year a lot different. So if you've been here for that long, first of all, thank you. Second, I'm not doing voiceovers this year because I don't like voiceovers. I don't like to watch videos that are voiceovers. I wanted to chat and do a normal tutorial, so that's what I'm doing this year. It took a lot of extra time to do, but I like the way that these videos are turning out a lot more that way. So wanted to make something I was proud of, and I'm excited. I'm glad you guys are here watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I'm posting a ton of these looks and behind the scenes footage and things like that. I am also vlogging behind the scenes of Ashtoberfest this year, so stay tuned for that on my second channel if you're not subscribed there. What else can I talk about in this intro before getting into the tutorial? The Milk makeup giveaway will be at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already checked out the exclusive Ashtoberfest 2018 merch, I have linked that down below as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. So first I'm going to start off with my eyebrows, and I'm going to kind of go for a really dark black brow because I am going to be wearing a wig. I'm going to start up here doing a dark brown, and then I'm going to fade it into a black. So I'm just going to be using brow pomade for this, but you can use eyeshadow, gel liner. You can really use anything that's black and make it work. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Jet Cream Waterproof color, and mine is so dry, it's like all cracked, but I'm going to make it work. I know I could add some oil to this, but I don't have time for that. Kind of making them a little bit longer than I normally would. And then just lightly going over the edge where I made it brown to black. So usually I would go ahead and start my eyes right now, but since I'm going to be doing a really smoked out look, like all the way down to here pretty much, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face and then do my foundation, which I'm actually not going to wear foundation. I'm going to do concealer all over because I have a really light concealer I want to use. I'm going to take my primer. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. You can use any primer that you have. This is just the one that I've been enjoying recently. For foundation, I'm going to be using a concealer, and this is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in the shade Snow. This is the lightest shade that it comes in. It's pretty much white. And I'm going to be using this as my base today because it is the lightest thing that I have. And I want to be very pale. I'm going to blend this out with my little sponge. I'm also going to take this over my eyelids just to prime. Next, I'm going to carefully push powder in to my entire face just to set it. This will also make it a lot easier to blend out all the color and eyeshadows and powders that I'm going to be putting all over my face. So I'm going to go ahead and contour, and I'm going to be using this shade from Makeup Geek. This is called Breakup. It is a cool toned contour. I guess I haven't used it in 2 years, but I just rediscovered this little palette I had because I wanted the blush that I had in it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I don't know if you guys have been here a long time, but I used to use this every day. I'm going to contour my nose just a little bit. I'm also going to take this up my temples and around my forehead, even though my bangs are going to be covering my forehead. For blush, I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Secret Admirer, also by Makeup Geek. It is purple, but it shows up pretty pink on the skin. I just washed my brushes, so some of them are still a little damp. I'm just tapping this onto my cheek area. I am packing quite a bit on because I am going to be smoking out so much eyeshadow. So I think first I'm going to start off with the Creepy Cute palette from Strobe Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with the shade, whatever this is called. It's the Pastel Purple Lilac shade, and I'm going to go ahead and go in the crease with this all the way up to my brow. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see it a little bit better. So I'm again taking this all the way up to my brow. I'm also going to be smoking this out around the top of my brow. And just kind of blending upwards. Not all the way to the front of my brow, but definitely at the end of my brow. And if I have to go in with some black gel color to fix that, I will at the end. I'm also going to bring this down a little bit towards my cheek. I am going to go back in and deepen that up, but first I want to take this shade Strawberry Milk from the same palette, and I'm just using my finger to press this onto my lid. You can use a brush, it might work a little bit better. Another cool palette that would work for this look is the Norvina palette. I am going to take a brush and just get in there a little bit more. Next I'm going to be going in with my Sephora Pro palette. Mine is severely broken and damaged. I'm going to go in with this dark purple shade right here, using a little pencil brush. And I'm just kind of going to define that line. Now this purple I'm using is more of like a pink purple. I am going to have to blend that up. I dip into the blue right underneath it just to kind of blend in. That helps a lot. I'm taking Strawberry Milk on a little bit of a bigger brush, and I'm just going to tap this around this purple to kind of blend it in with the blush and also just smoke it out a little bit more. So I'm just kind of tapping it. Since I'm going to be using such huge lashes, I am going to be doing a wing liner, so I'm going to use my NYX Epic Ink Liner and try to whip out a wing really quick. This wing over here was giving me quite a bit of trouble, but I think I've got him kind of even. Really quickly, I'm going to line my eyes using a black liner, and I'll be right back to finish the eyes. Taking just a skinny little brush with nothing on it, I'm going to go ahead and try and smoke out that liner I just applied. I find that this makes it easier to blend shadows out on top. Dipping back into the Sephora Pro, I'm going to be dipping into the purple right here, and then the blue right here to get the perfect cool toned purple that I'm going for. And I'm just going to smoke this out on the lower lash line. And dipping back into this palette, I'm going to be using Strawberry Milk as well as the purple shade Planchette, I think is how you pronounce it. Mostly going to use the purple right now, and I'm just going to smoke out right underneath the lower lash line. And I want to blend this out into that blush a little bit more. And then again, going back into Strawberry Milk to really blend those two together. Really quickly gonna dip back into my pomade and fix this black that I feel like we lost a little bit with the powder. Now going back in and using the black to draw some hair-like strokes in the front of my brow. To highlight, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be using the pink and purple, so Unicorn, which is right here, and then what is this called? Ethereal. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So taking Unicorn, I'm actually gonna dot this on my eyes because I want it to be a little glittery. And I'm just trying to tap that right over the pink and where the purple meets. I don't feel like the lighting I have right now does these highlight shades justice because they're very iridescent and sparkly. But I just ordered new lights that will be here this weekend, so some Ashtoberfest videos will be filmed with new lighting, some are filmed with this lighting. To highlight, I'm going to take the purple shade, and yeah, you guys can't see that at all. I washed my Anastasia brush and it now looks like shit. Alright, taking this purple, I'm going to mix in a little bit of the pink, and I feel like the camera doesn't show it at... I'm also going to take Unicorn on the inner corner. Taking the purple highlight, I am going to do some under the brow bone. Even though it is smoked all the way up, can never have too much glitter. So I'll take some of this above my lip too, as well as my nose, don't forget. So for lashes, I'm going to be doing top and bottom lashes, and I'm going to do the top ones off camera to save some time, but wanted to show you guys. I'm using the Rouge and Rogue Miss Fury lashes, and I've cut them up. So I'm going to be putting these on the top and then these on the bottom, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so apparently my camera was not recording when I did these lower lashes. I ended up putting the end bit of the Miss Fury lashes out here on the edge, and then I took another pair of lashes, and I don't know what these ones are called, but I will find them on the Rouge and Rogue website and link them for you. And I placed those on top, and then I used 3 little chunks from the Miss Fury lashes to go on the lower lash line, and I'm so sorry the camera was not recording, and I thought it was when I did the lower lashes. But basically all I did was I put a little bit of lash glue on the back of like right here, and I would just dip in, I'd hold them with some tweezers, dip in a little bit, and then wait for it to dry, and then put it on. So these are pretty much stuck on there. I also went over with a ton of mascara. My eyes feel like 100 pounds right now. And I'm gonna move on to lips. So I believe in the cartoon, Lydia has red lips that are kind of black, but I'm gonna do black and pink. So I'm gonna wipe this off a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with a black liquid lipstick. So all the photos I found of her lips show that her top lip looks like black and the bottom is red. I don't know if I'm gonna like the way that that looks, but we're gonna find out. I don't like the way this looks. I think just black is gonna look a lot better, so I'm gonna line the lower lip. Alright, so that's gonna be it for the makeup part. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig. I do have to trim my bangs, so it's gonna take me a second, and I will be right back to show you guys the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished Lydia Deetz cartoon makeup look. I just threw this wig on really quickly that I actually bought on Amazon. My friend Kirsten actually found it, and I just copied her and bought the same one because it looks so cute. And it's like, okay, it's not the best quality, like since it's black it's hard to tell, but it is kind of like cheaper looking at the top, but I feel like the hair is so soft and nice. I just put some dry shampoo in it so that it wouldn't be as shiny, which is a nice little tip if you didn't know. I also just cut these bangs myself and they're really messed up because they're crooked, but whatever. It's working. I was gonna do the typical Lydia Deetz like chunky piecey bangs, but I didn't want to do that to this wig, and I just feel like this is a cool little different take on her because everybody does her signature look, and I wanted to do something a little bit different. That's why I did the cartoon version. And I also got this cute little poncho. This is from Lake Avenue, and I will link it down below. I don't remember the name. It's not called Lydia Deetz. It's called like Spider something poncho. But it is her costume. I will stand up and show you guys. Please excuse my little quasar light back here being purple. So it basically is just a poncho. The back isn't as cute, but it's like a little dress. You could definitely wear this with like some leggings. I think it's the perfect outfit for her. Obviously it is her outfit, but it's so cute because it has all the little glitter detail in it, and I love it. So that is gonna be it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I'm posting a ton of pictures of all these crazy looks that I'm doing for Ashtoberfest. If you haven't checked out my merch store already, I always leave it linked down below for you guys. You guys can check out all the exclusive Ashtoberfest stuff before it sells out, if it hasn't already. And for this video, if you'd like to enter the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara and Baked Bronzer giveaway, go ahead and leave a comment down below. You have to leave me either your Instagram where I can message you, so you can't be on private, or leave me an email of some sort, and I will be scrolling down every single day and picking someone at random. So good luck to you guys. I'm so excited to be able to partner with Milk to give away a ton of Kush mascaras and other products that I love from them. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. I will see you the day after tomorrow for my next Ashtoberfest video. Bye!